right, is everybody ready to see? I can tell y'all right She's gonna pour it real slow. It's on her go. Y'all give her a 5-second countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Alright. Now, we need y'all two to stand up real easy. We're gonna go this way. I have no idea. I can tell you now. That our kitchen staff made milk,
mayonnaise, eggshell, onion powder.
Next up, we're gonna should it be the giraffes or the zebra? I'm going to ask the audience right here. Sister Glenda, giraffes or zebras next?
Zebra! Sit down! I'm a midget! Y'all get down! I can't see! The task is born. Squat down.
Alright, we have, this is a member team of 3. So we need another Here's the other chair. You get one whole bucket and a little bit of another bucket because we have 3 individuals. Miss Jamie stepped up to the plate there and decided she was going to be one of these team captains. Okay. We're going to, you can go ahead and get a third of one of them.
Miss Angel.
Because each 3 gets a third. All right, here we go. I need another 5-second countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
A little bit more right there. You get another bucket.
Pour the whole bucket on this account.
Oh, they love you, Kel. I gotta keep you. Way to go, girl. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Y'all give it up, y'all.
I like the oatmeal.
Good job. Walk that way. Be careful. Be careful. Everybody walk that way. Good job, girls. Thank you, Miss Kelly. Look, she got the worst of it, too. She got the worst of it. Thank you. Be careful, girl. It's slippery right there. Don't help her down. Help her down. Okay. These are okay. Come on, Miss Ann. Well, we're getting her bag. Everybody can get her bag real quick. There comes one. This is Team Giraffe. It does not smell good. Yeah.
I need more than that.
All right. Everybody got the cameras ready? This one's going to be good. I nominated Lauren Best Team Captain in BBS history. Here she comes. She is just so good. Get that. We got to have it out, man. Y'all give Miss Lauren a hand. Aren't we just glad to see her up here? I told you to be careful and slick. We have a true slip and slide up here for you. All right. Pull your chair forward a little bit. We're going to do one at a time. Everybody who wants Miss Sierra first, can we get down? Miss Lauren first. On 5, 4. captain here. All right, stay there, Miss Laura. Next up, we're going Miss Sierra gets half. Here we go, gets half. Oh no. And Miss Hannah next. Here we go. Oh no. Let's give it up for them right here.